In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Copilot. Microsoft Copilot is an AI assistant available in Windows, Edge, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and even on the web. It's designed to help you write, summarize, analyze, and create content using simple text commands. This tool can be a real game changer in your daily tasks. Let's start by opening Copilot. You can access it in various places depending on what you're using. On Windows, press the Windows key and C, or simply click the Copilot icon. In Microsoft Edge, you'll find the Copilot button in the top right corner. If you're on the web, just navigate to Copilot in your browser. For Office apps, look for the Copilot button in Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. This step is essential because it gives you seamless access to Copilot's capabilities. Once you've got Copilot open, it's time to start chatting. Just type what you want in plain English. For example, you might say, summarize this document, write a professional email, explain this topic simply, or create a budget plan. Copilot will respond to you in a chat-like conversation. Why is this important? Because it allows you to communicate with the AI naturally, making your interactions more intuitive. Now, let's dive into using Copilot within Office apps. In Word, you can write or rewrite documents, summarize lengthy text, and even create drafts. In Excel, Copilot helps analyze data, create formulas, and build charts. And when you're working in PowerPoint, it can create presentations, add slides, and summarize decks. This integration is powerful because it can save you a tremendous amount of time and effort. Next up, we'll look at how Copilot can assist you in Edge or on the web. You can ask questions while browsing, summarize web pages, and compare information from different tabs. This is particularly useful for research or when you're trying to gather information quickly. By utilizing Copilot in these environments, you ensure you have the most relevant data at your fingertips. At this point, you might be wondering about follow-up questions. Don't hesitate to keep asking for refinements. For instance, you can say, make it shorter, explain it simpler, give more examples, or change the tone to professional. This ability to refine results is crucial because it allows you to hone in on exactly what you need. Finally, let's talk about the simple rule to make the most of Copilot. It's as easy as type, ask, refine, and you're done. Copilot works best when you're clear and specific in your queries. Asking step-by-step questions and providing context can significantly enhance the quality of the responses you receive. So, there you have it. With Microsoft Copilot, you're equipped to tackle your tasks more efficiently. It's like having a digital assistant that understands and responds to your needs. Remember, the key to success with Copilot is clarity and specificity. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you find this tool as transformative as I do.